Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Android Wizardry. With this video we are starting a new series of simple calculator in which we are going to build a simple calculator with basic mathematical operations. So we are going to start with our UI first. So we are going to go into our layout, activity main.xml. So a calculator has basically three main components, or basically you can say three main layouts. The one big layout is the buttons layout, which contains all the buttons. Then there is a layout where whenever we press a button, numbers or the expression got entered. And the third one and the final one is the result layout. So we will start with our expression layout. So that is going to be app compact text view. So we have our expression layout ready. So for the height we are giving 0 dp. For the width we are doing match parent, so it is going to cover the whole parent. Then let's make this background as white as well. Margins we have given 12 dp. Then there is this background color. So for this the background color is white and the text color is black, so the text is clearly visible. The default text will be 0. So in our calculator we see 0 by default, so that's what we are going to portray here. Then text alignment, we have aligned the text to the end. We have seen the text starts from the right side. Then the size we have given 32 dp. Also we have given this scroll container true. Now we are going to create result layout. Alright, so our result layout is ready. It is actually very similar, but instead of text size 24, the text size should be 32 here because we want to show the text bigger. And here what we are going to do is layout constraint bottom to top of result layout. So this is what we wanted. Okay, this should be 24. Alright. Or let's make it 32 and make this 64. Okay, maybe 64 is bigger, but let's see. Okay, and then here what we are going to do is we are going to create our buttons layout. And for that we are going to use linear layout. Width is match parent, height is wrap content, and here we will store our buttons. So right now this may not seem good because it is covering the whole screen, but after we have added all the buttons here, this is going to look just fine. So here, first of all, we are going to add 5 more linear layouts. And why is that? First I will add them and then I'm going to let you know why we are adding those. And orientation we want horizontal, and for this we want orientation vertical. So here we will have some buttons, and those buttons will be clear, back, mode, and divide. Alright, so this line will contain these 4 buttons, and this will contain 7, 8, 9, and multiply. This will contain 4, 5, 6, and minus. This will contain 1, 2, 3 plus, and this will contain all clear, 0, decimal, and equal to. So that's why I have added these 5 linear layouts. So here now we are going to add buttons. So here this time we are going to use material buttons. Width we are going to give 64 dp. Height we are going to give 64 dp. Okay, so one of our button is ready, and similarly we are going to create all the buttons for this row. Alright guys, so we have created our first row, and now similarly we are going to create rest of our rows. So I'm just going to copy paste this stuff there and we'll just make some changes. So we have created our basic calculator buttons layout. So this very much looks like how a normal calculator would have looked like. So there is a clear button, there is a back button, there are basic operations, there are all the numbers, there is decimal, there is equal to, and there is all clear. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked the video and you have liked the design. Do let me know if you want me to change something, for example like the colors or anything else. You can use app compact button as well, but I have used material button for this video because I wanted to show you how this material button works or looks like, kind of very similar to the normal button. I hope you have liked the video, you have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next video.